Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We're going to talk about illegal penny shopping. Oh my gosh, a controversial Saturday video. Let's go. Okay, so if you remember last November, there was a massive penny list. A lot of us got a lot of cool stuff. And it was just like, our Price is Right moment. And there's since been another penny list. And oh, I love these surprise penny lists. There was somebody in the comments of my videos who basically started to really go after me. And I didn't actually retort back to this individual because he was just looking to fight. And I've been around long enough to know exactly what he's doing. I'm courteous enough to block out his things. I know a lot of you would go right to him. This was the video, and then a couple of my YouTube shorts that he was just really furious about. If you remember some of this stuff, it was all ringing up for a penny, and a lot of us were like, oh my gosh, especially when you can get like detergent. So he was really, really irritated with me and initially saying that he had reported my video. He actually never did because I never got in trouble for my shorts or my videos. And because we are promoting theft of merchandise when you full well know what you're doing is illegal. It isn't. The employees have to remove these items. If not, they ring up at the register for a cent, and that's in their policy. And then at the bottom, he said, I'm a Dollar General manager. Get used to not getting any more penny items. After the first of the year, all of them will be gone permanently. This company is sick and tired of losing profit to people. And then a whole bunch of beautiful exploitatives towards me, not responding to an individual like that because again, just looking to fight, did the first year psych. I know exactly what this person's doing, but he was really, really irritated. And I kind of wondered because the first couple weeks of January were slow, and I'm like, was this man actually correct, or what was the story? And he was doing this on a lot of penny haulers videos. And last Friday, a lot of us found this surprise penny list and scored really big. These were two of my carts. And it wasn't just like two or three items, it was hundreds of items. I mean, I think I got 300 last Friday. And our receipts all looked something like this. So to that person that left me all those lovely comments last November, you're a store manager. You're saying that penny items are illegal, and then you're saying they're going to be, taken out of the system, and this, that, and the third, and what you're doing, is the worst of the worst. Well, the items are still ringing up for a penny, and you were categorically wrong about that. And it would be nothing short of a software engineer going into the system on the back end at the Dollar General that when these items are supposed to get cleared out, that you would have a pop-up that would say, item can't be sold to customer, like they do when items are expired. They had something with hand sanitizer wipes last summer, something like that, or light bulbs, something like that, saying there's an error. But it just seems like, when you get these people that are just jumping on you, is it jealousy that they can't get it? Was this actually a manager? And why would they give you some sort of a threat like that to say, in the new year, there's going to be nothing left, watch out? Well, this is the new year, and I think I got like just under 600 pennies in the last week, and it's been probably some of the best shopping I've had in years. It is so much fun. And lots of us had similar hauls, tables and tables of stuff. And I actually donated like the majority of the spaghetti, the hot sauce, lots of items because I can't store all this stuff. But it's the hunt, it's going out, it's a lot of fun. And I actually did speak to a manager who I'm quite friendly with at one store. She actually ran up to me and she's like, oh, Happy New Year. I haven't seen you here in a while. And I said to her, I'm like, why is it that these items still ring up as a penny? And she said that it's a shopping thing that gets people into the store to spend more money. And it's just kind of like the hunt. And that's why she believes it's still happening. It would take a software engineer, a couple hours, and this could be all finished. But it's not the case. And I think it's just more people are out to the store buying stuff while they're looking for these precious pennies. Now, here's the thing. If a cashier or staffer is ever giving you a hard time about the pennies, and it's happened to me before in the past too, like a couple years back, you can always call the customer support line for Dollar General, and they will call the store specifically. They keep the pennies for you behind the counter, and then you go back and get them later. It's happened to me once really bad a couple years ago around Christmas, where they refused to sell me the pennies. I called Dollar General's head office in Tennessee, and then an hour later I went back to the same store and got my items, and it was like the big canisters of coffee. So I really wanted them, and they just gave it back to me. I didn't get an apology, but I did get my coffee, so kind of a win. Always stand your ground, guys. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.